Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram black screen issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. If you are going through an Instagram black screen issue and you don't know what to do next, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you have updated your Instagram application to the latest version. Tap open your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, search for Instagram. Once the application is displayed on the next page, if you see an update button right next to Instagram, simply tap on the button in order to download the latest version of Instagram app. Once the application is done with the downloads, tap on open to launch the app open and you might be able to solve your Instagram black screen issue right away. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear out your cache data from your Instagram application. Tap open settings on your mobile device and from your settings page, scroll all the way down until you see General and tap it on. Tap on iPhone storage in the General tab and now search for Instagram from the list. Once you find it, tap it on and tap on Offload App option. Doing this will free up storage used by the application, but it will keep its documents and data safe. Once you tap on Offload App, simply confirm by tapping on Offload App one more time and your application will be offloaded. Tap on Reinstall App again and you'll be able to clear out any cache data from your Instagram application. Once the application is installed and it is ready for use, tap on Instagram application from the app drawer and see if that fixes your black screen issue. If that still does not work, the final method is to wait for 24 to 48 hours. If it is because of the bugs and glitches on the app, it will be fixed after some time automatically. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through Instagram black screen issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.